Hey, buddy!
Yeah?
Are you busy?
I'm playing Minecraft. What?
Oh, I needed your help reading something real quick in the Jeep. Can you come with me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, so it says something up here. Can you read it?
I think it says max speed 50.
Max speed 50. Do you think that means it only goes 50 miles an hour? What do you think, buddy? Should we try it?
Yes, please.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here on Decent Garage. Today we are going to be driving the Jeep. As you guys saw in the last video on this project, we got it running. Took a long time, but I got it running, and it's running flawlessly now. You hit the key and it just idles and purrs. It's perfect. So we're gonna take it for a drive today. I'm gonna bring my son with me. It's not registered yet, so we're gonna have to take it to Mexico to do that, but let's go see how fast this thing goes, see how it runs through all the gears. All right, so I haven't had a chance yet to change the oil, but we're just gonna drive it around the block in Mexico, of course, just to test it out. So I'll get the oil changed here in the next couple days, but I think we're fine just driving it around for now. One thing though, there's no coolant in it, so for this, all we're gonna do is just throw some water in the radiator. I'm gonna have to do a full cleaning and kind of de-gunk the radiator anyway, so let's get some water in the radiator and go try it out.
I want to go real fast.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, I want to go. Hey, good job. What are kilometers?
Just a unit of measurement.
Oh, we're up to go 20.
Okay. See, coast is clear. All right, here we go, buddy.
Coast is not there. What's going on? Dad, what was going on? Mom? Dad, what's going on?
Where you gotta start?
Wait, why'd you have to start? Did we run out of gas?
All right, guys, attempt one to break the land speed record in the Jeep was a failure. I think we ran out of gas.
Yeah, like well, I was right.
Yeah, he knew it. So I forgot this thing only gets like 5 miles per gallon, and I've let it idle and run quite a bit, and I've driven it around the block a couple times. So you know, all I had put in there was a gallon or two. So I hope that's it, but my wife's bringing the crew cab down right now, so we'll get to see the crew cab in action and tow it home. Luckily, we're only about 2 blocks from home. That's as far as our adventure took us, so we're gonna take it home probably another day because I gotta go fill up my gas can. We'll try this again, but anyways, enjoy the footage of the crew cab towing us home. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, we were just pulling out and I was like, okay, here we go. And it just like sputtered out. There you go. Quality tow strap.
That's cool how you can still see where it says U.S. Army for official use only.
Okay. Alright guys, we are home in the driveway. It ran out of gas. I got it, you saw me get it towed home from the wife. And then, oh, the brake lights are on. Then I didn't have any gas in my gas can and it didn't make it up into the driveway. But luckily, my nice neighbor Mark had a 5-gallon thing he emptied in there. And she fired right back up. So, this is to be continued. Tomorrow night, Calvin and I are gonna go out and do this again. We gotta see how fast this can go, and we only got up to like 12 miles an hour there. So, to be continued. Alrighty, you ready?
Yeah.
Should we count down?
Yeah.
3, 2,
No, 5,
4, 3, 2,
2,
1. Here we go. There's 40.
What?
There's 40.
50.
50. Woo! Woo!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now stop. Look at that
Hey, there's
mansion.
40.
Look at that mansion.
Yeah, oh, a car pulled out in front of us. Alright, let's do it.
Where are we going?
Just up here and we'll turn around. Hey, there's 50.
What?
50. there you have it. We hit 60 miles per hour. While we were going, I remembered these tires are pretty rotted. The steering had a ton of play in it, so that was just a fun video we're gonna do. It's time to get this thing cleaned up, assess what we need to do to it, but I hope you guys enjoyed that. The one thing I love about my channel and all the projects I have is my kids love every single project. The crew cab, the Jeep, the dirt bike, they love all of them. They're always asking for rides. So like the video below if you enjoyed that. Comment below, let me know what you think of the Jeep. Give me some ideas of what you guys want to see with this thing. I was thinking one thing when I picked it up, and now I'm completely shifted. So let me know what your guys' ideas are, and we will see you in the next video.